Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can save a Google Sheet as an Excel sheet over on your phone or laptop. It's basically all the same. So what you need to do in order to do this is simply go and head over to the Sheets app, just like this. And once you've done that, all you need to do is first of all create a new Google Sheet, or you can just enter a Google Sheet you've already created. So I'm going to open this one right here. Once you've done that, you can simply go to the top right corner of your screen at those three little dots. And what you can simply do is click on Share and Export right here. And then what you want to do is make sure to click on Save as Excel. Once you're done basically doing that, it will let you just save your Google Sheets as an Excel sheet, as you guys can see right here. And it's currently loading. When I right now go back, as you guys can see, it now turned into a .xlsx sheet. And that's basically an Excel sheet. So that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.